Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Sweet Barbecue, and welcome to our unboxing and assembling of the new Memphis Pro Cart ITC3 with Intelliburn Technology. So we just received this new Memphis Pro Cart ITC3, and we're very excited to welcome this completely new and re-engineered grill to our Memphis family. So what we're gonna do in this video is we're gonna unbox and we're gonna put it together. We are gonna show you how to connect it to Wi-Fi, and last but not least, we're gonna show you how to start the grill. We also want to call out some of our favorite features and new functionalities that makes us super excited to start cooking on this grill. So let's start unboxing it. So the first thing that we want to do is carefully open the box while the grill is still on its back, and then we want to remove the grill manuals. We also want to remove the Great Kit box that's located under the wheels. Then it's time to carefully flip the box over so the bottom of the grill is located down. Just to be safe, you might want to be two people doing this. Next, we're going to remove all the protective styrofoam and cardboard. When that is done, you can carefully roll out the Memphis Pro Cart. Next, you want to remove both the shelves. The shelves are located in boxes, one underneath the grill hood and one inside the cabinet. If you open the shelf that was underneath the grill hood, you will find the savorizer, the direct flame insert, the genie tool, and the hardware kit. So we have now unboxed all parts of the Memphis Pro Cart ITC3. So now we need to move on to the next step of the process. And one of the best things when you buy a high quality grill is that it comes with this protective laser film. It's also one of the flip sides of getting a nice high quality grill, because now we have to peel this off. Here's a recommendation: if you can, leave it out in the sun for at least an hour, and then it will be easier to peel this film off. But a couple of tips when you peel it off. So peeling all this laser film is of course tedious, but it serves a very important purpose. The laser film is a peelable plastic which is left on the grill to protect it from scratches during both manufacturing and transit. You want to make sure that you get all the hidden areas of the film, like the bottom piece of the doors, for example. And you want to make sure that you remove all the plastic films, because if any of this film melts while you're cooking, it's impossible to remove afterwards. Whew! Now when all the peeling is done and we get to reward ourselves by removing this little final peel, it's time to put together the rest of the grill, and here's how we're going to do that. We want to start by placing the burn pot in the bottom of the grill chamber and ensure that it has a secure fit. Then we need to place the savorizer back into the grill, and we also want to place the 4 grates on the lower level. You also want to place the long grate on one of the upper level rack holders. It is time to install the sliding shelves. I like to attach upper left and upper right screw first lightly, and then hinge the shelf on these two. Then we can secure it with all the 5 screws. Then of course you want to repeat the same process for the other shelf. It is time to mount the display housing, and the first thing that we need to do is remove display housing shipping bracket. Then we want to mount the display housing perpendicular to the side panel. We're gonna attach the included antenna located in the bag with the manuals to the grill by twisting it in a clockwise motion. And lastly, we want to attach the cord wrap with the included screws. So now when the beautiful Memphis Pro Cart ITC3 is put together, it's time to connect it to Wi-Fi. And here's how we're gonna do that. The first thing that we want to do is register and log in to the new Memphis 3 app. When you're in the app, connect with the grill using Bluetooth and also select your Wi-Fi network. Next, we need to navigate to the settings screen on the mount display and choose Wi-Fi, and then press Connect Wi-Fi. Now we need to enter the Bluetooth pin to complete the provisioning. And lastly, we want to enter the MAC address and the grill name, and then the app is ready for grilling. So the grill is now connected to Wi-Fi. We have the Memphis 3 app up and running. So the next step is to do an initial burn off, just to make sure that we get any kind of residue left from packaging or transportation burnt out. So here's how we need to do that. So we need to fill up the pellet hopper with pellets, and of course we're using Memphis Wood Fire Grill's pellets. Fill up to the edge and then close the pellet lid. So prior to the burn off, make sure that you completely removed all the plastic film on all the stainless steel surfaces. Now you want to remove the cooking grates and wash them with a mild soap and detergent, and then we want to place them back in the grill. To start up the grill, we want to press the Initiate Startup Sequence button on the dashboard. The startup mode will begin and pellets will begin falling into the burn pot and the igniter heats up. The startup mode is timed to last about 25 minutes or until the appliance reaches a temperature above 165. The new functionality, Clean Ignition, has an ash blowout at startup and timed intervals, which ensures optimal performance, but more importantly, reduction of home maintenance time cleaning the burn pot. Now you can use the slider or the plus/minus buttons to set the grill temperature. For the burnout, we want to light the grill at 450 degrees Fahrenheit and keep the grill going for 45 minutes with the hood down. There's different modes when you cook with the grill. If the grill is set to a temperature less than 300 degrees Fahrenheit, it will run in smoke mode, and if it's set to 300 or above, it will run in cook mode. And you also have one of the most unique features of your Memphis grill is the ability to truly sear in the direct flame mode. When changing to direct flame, get your grill to 400 degrees, then remove the grates and replace the indirect flame insert with a direct flame insert into the savorizer. You need to select direct flame at the top of the grill setting screens and then choose between low, medium, or extreme setting depending on grill and searing desire. Remember to always keep the hood open when operating your grill in direct flame mode. The Wi-Fi setup, we've done the initial burn off, everything is working great. So the last thing that we want to do is just show you a couple of the new features and functionalities that makes us very excited to get cooking on the new Memphis ProCart ITC3. So the most significant improvement is the new Intelliburn technology, which creates more heat with less fuel. It basically increases grill performance and efficiency with a secondary combustion system that creates more heat while using less fuel. This basically means that you will use fewer pellets per cook and produce a cleaner burn when you're cooking. It comes with a Memphis 3 app, which allows you to monitor both the grill and the food away from home. So if you're at the office or if you have to run to the store, you can easily check the temperature of both the grill and your food, which is awesome. It also have a pre-programmed cleaning routine, which makes it better and easier to keep this a safe grill working effectively. The new ProCart ITC3 has the same beautiful design as the old Pro with double-walled 304 sealed stainless steel. I love the new sliding shelves. They're very easy to use and access, and they also have great internal space so you can store the food probes, the genie tools, and all the other stuff that you need for your grill. I also like how the new 7-inch touchscreen is easier to access, and I also like the new interface. It feels like I have better control and it feels brighter, which is important when you grill during the day. And this is great. We also have interior lights. The lights that are bright and they're placed in a good place in the grill. Here's a tip, just remember to make a habit of wiping them down after usage to keep them clean. Small improvement, but one that makes a huge difference for me. We have more tool hangs on both sides of the grill. If you're like me, you want tool hangs and you want plenty of them. So I really enjoyed the improvements that Memphis Wood Fire Grill has done on this ProCart ITC3. I think they took an already great grill and made it even better, and I can't wait to get cooking. We're so excited. So please follow along as we launch monthly videos on Memphis Wood Fire Grill's YouTube channel. Also check out their website, www.memphisgrills.com, for more information about all their grills. And like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video. We can't wait to get started. Happy grilling!